The Vivo X200 Pro and iPhone 16 Pro Max are two flagship smartphones. From two different ecosystems, each offering a set of unique features. Both devices cater to the high-end market, but they see OEM from brands with differing philosophies, target audiences, and technological approaches. In this comparison, we will explore various facets such as design, display, performance, cameras, battery, software, ecosystem, and pricing. Design and build quality. Vivo X200 Pro. The Vivo X200 Pro takes a futuristic approach to design. Its build quality is premium, with materials like metal and glass forming the core construction. The device is likely to have a sleek, curved display with minimal bezels and a punch-hole camera at the front. The back of the device features an advanced camera module, potentially larger than its predecessors, signaling its prowess in photography. Vivo often emphasizes aesthetics, and the X200 Pro is expected to feature refined, vibrant color options, making it a visually appealing phone. Given Vivo's focus on innovation, the X200 Pro could feature new textures, matte finishes, or even unique gradient color options. iPhone 16 Pro Max, Apple's design philosophy, is rooted in simplicity and sophistication. The iPhone 16 Pro Max will likely continue the flat edge design introduced with the iPhone 12, constructed from surgical grade stainless steel and ceramic shield glass. The iPhone 16 Pro Max offers a luxurious feel. Apple is known for providing long-lasting durability, and the iPhone 16 Pro Max is expected to be highly resistant to drops and scratches. The back of the device would house the updated camera module, likely with a more compact and symmetrical arrangement of sensors, with a refined design language that fits well with Apple's premium devices. In terms of overall design, the iPhone 16 Pro Max may be slightly more refined and premium looking, while the Vivo X200 Pro might stand out with more innovative materials and potentially futuristic styling. Display: Vivo X200 Pro. The Vivo X200 Pro will most likely sport an AMOLED display with high refresh rates, 120 Hz or more. This would contribute to a smooth visual experience for gaming, video streaming, and everyday use. Vivo's AMOLED displays are known for their deep blacks and vibrant colors, offering an excellent viewing experience. The device might come with a 6.7 to 6.9 inch screen size, ensuring an immersive display for media consumption. Vivo is known for pushing the envelope with display technology, so the X200 Pro could also feature enhanced HDR support or even an under-display camera for a truly uninterrupted screen. iPhone 16 Pro Max. Apple's Pro Max models typically come with Super Retina XD OLED displays, known for their incredible color accuracy, high brightness levels, and vibrant contrast. The iPhone 16 Pro Max is expected to have a 6.7-inch OLED display with promotion technology, providing up to a 120 Hz adaptive refresh rate. Apple is always focused on color calibration and delivering an experience that is true to life, so users will enjoy vivid, true-to-life colors. Expect deep blacks, bright whites, and high peak brightness suitable for outdoor use. Apple also tends to prioritize seamless integration between hardware and software, ensuring that the display performs efficiently across various apps and functions. Both phones offer premium displays, but the Vivo X200 Pro might edge out slightly in terms of more cutting-edge technology like under-display cameras. However, the iPhone 16 Pro Max will still deliver a superior color accurate experience, ideal for those who prioritize visual fidelity.